So first of all, let me express our gratitude and a lot of excitement to NRZ for the job well done, for what they've done to bring back a passenger train that will be Harare to Mutare. We are very happy as the Minister of Tourism and Hospitality Industry, as the industry of tourism and hospitality as well, and all our stakeholders. We are very, very happy and thankful to the team for NRZ who have made it right on time and at the date that was targeted. We are very happy. Let me say, yes, it is good to have this passenger train coming back. We have different passengers that crisscross the country, that travel the country, and a passenger should choose what they want to use. Any tourist or any guest in our country, whether it's domestic tourism or it's international tourism, we should be able to choose whether I want to use the road, or I want to use the rail, or I want to use the air to get to my destination. And we are not we are not bringing back the train just for Sanganai. Please let me correct that. The train will continue, because already when we decided, or when we approached the Ministry of Transport about this issue, they had already started working on this. We give credit to them on that. They had already started on fixing the rail itself before fixing the train itself. So it was work in progress, and we came together to ensure that this would happen. So the train will continue. The objective is not just about Sankanai, but for the travelers to choose train rail to go to Mutare.
As NRZ, we came up with the idea together with our stakeholders, in principally the Zimbabwe Tourism Authority, to come up with an idea of a luxury train to traverse the area between Harare and Mutare during the Sanganai, Hlanganani, Kumbanai Tourism Expo.
After maybe 12 years from now, the Kakurira train the experience, it is so, I don't know how to explain it.
The last time that I was on a train was when I was in primary school. It's good to see that it's still functioning very well.
We prefer rail due to several advantages, like cost, it's quite affordable, flexibility, it's not in a rush, less accidents.